this government, they want to add Bangladeshis in the voter list. That is the intention of this government, Congress government. In the market only they are giving the farms. In the queue, there is no rules, there is no regulations. That's why immediately intervention is necessary. In Karnataka, I given the letter to Chief Election Commissioner, Central Election Commissioner and State Election Commissioner. Urgent intervention against the violation of SIR in some areas. The rule is every house they have to BLA2, they have to go and give the form, and then they have to collect, fill the forms. Now what they are doing, all in Masjidi areas, Shadi Mahals, mostly just like a street. In the market only they are giving the forms. In the queue, there is no rules, there is no regulations. Violation of SIR rules. That's why I demand immediately you have to arrest who done this. I have a video clips, photos is there. Now also in near Vidhan Sauda, 3 kilometers door, Guttalli is there. Now also is in near Masjidi. The queue is there, big queue is there. Openly they are issuing. Means this government, they want to add Bangladeshis in the voter list. That is the intention of this government, Congress government. That's why immediately intervention is necessary. In Karnataka, I given the letter to Chief Election Commissioner. Immediately you have to intervene and you have to take action. And who made a mistake, immediately they are arrest and send him to jail. That is my demand.